People say I have an unusual goal in life. I want to learn how to make every moment in life positive. People say that it's impossible. They say you have to take the good with the bad. However, I think you can make every moment enjoyable. I don't want to enjoy a good experience and know that it will end. Instead, I want to enjoy every moment, no matter what it is, to the fullest all the time. I know there's a way, and my goal in this lifetime is to learn how. Wow, I learned some amazing insight the other day. And let me tell you, it all started when I partied one Friday. Heck yeah, this is such a fun night.
Hell yeah, son! Hell, this is what I'm talking about. Shit!
Are you having fun, Sniffles? Hell yeah, man. I just drank some SoCo. Damn, I want to make every experience as enjoyable as this.
Hey! Check this out, man!
Heck yeah.
Oh my god, I am feeling so fucked up right now.
Hey man, take a hit of some of this shit.
Oh, thanks, man. But I gotta be straight when I drive tonight. You know me. I need my car, and with my luck, I'll end up losing it.
Yeah man, for real. I know what you mean.
Hey, pass this shit over, man. I want to get a hit on that.
Hell yeah man. I'm about to pass this bad boy over. Hey, anybody else want a hit? Come on, it's open.
Wow, man. That was another kick-ass party. I think I'm good. I only drank one bottle. Dude, I'm not being paranoid. I just fear not being able to drive anymore. Besides, I'm not like Markham, who plugs numbers in math formulas to see if he's over the limit. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna slowly pull over with ultimate mannerism and style. Alright, let's see if the cop is heading towards my car yet. Hey, how you doing? Isn't it great that the Pistons won 46-12 tonight?
Your license and registration?
Alright, I got it right here. Let me get it out. Ah, damn it. Come on. Oh, shit. Huh, that's odd. I can't seem to find the registration.
You know you should have your registration. Alright, wait right here. Don't move.
Great. I probably have to wait a half hour now. Oh well, I'll probably just get a warning. What do you think?
Okay, being that you should have had your registration at all times, you're gonna have to settle this at a court date tomorrow morning. I wrote the time on the ticket.
Oh. Oh, just what I need on a Saturday morning. Not only I have to get up early, but I have to go to traffic court. There's many things I don't like. I don't like burning nachos, missing parties, going to old folks' homes, and getting up early. But there's one thing that I hate that is the king of them all, and it's going to traffic court. There's so many things about it that make me hate it with a passion. So at that moment, I couldn't help but say. Ah, oh my god, it's late. I gotta get the over.
Wow, you're up early.
Yeah, I sure am.
Was there a reason why you left the door open? You know how many times I've told you to close the door at night? I don't know how many times, I can't even count now. Each time you keep the door open,
Great.
you let all the
Just
heat
what I
go
need
out.
when I'm in a
The
rush.
economy sucks right now.
Well,
I
generally,
can't afford
I would
paying
tell her
extra
that I
on the
need to
electric
go
bill.
because I'm in a hurry.
Even though the
But
last
for the
president should have had
circumstance
all
of getting a
houses
ticket,
have solar panels
I don't
on
want to
them,
make things
I still
worse
have to
by
pay
seeing her
30
get mad at
extra
that
cents on the
too.
electric bill
So,
because you keep the door
I think it's
open.
best for her to just
I'm
yell
tired of you
about the
breaking
door
rules.
and get it done with.
What do I need
Then I'll
to
make
do
up
to
for
get
the
you to
lost
learn?
time. Hurry up! We only got like 20 minutes.
Well, I think we'll make it. Gosh, I'm so nervous. I just want to make it there on time. Whoa!
Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Oh man, I should not have given my friend my spare. I knew giving my friend my spare was a bad idea. You see, my friend has this really odd obsession. He's the type that likes to throw things, watch things break, or watch things get knocked down and get destroyed. Well, one day, my friend thought it would be fun to roll a tire off of Mount Holly. He couldn't find any spare tires anywhere, so he asked me if he could use mine. He used the temptation of money as a tactic. Well, dummy me, I ended up giving him my spare. Oh, man, I am pissed. What am I gonna do?
Hey! Oh shit! What's up, son? Oh man, so good to see you again.
Hey, man.
Hey, damn, son. I never seen you up in this camp. I don't know, but in my eyes, it seems like you're fucked.
Yeah, I gotta go to this court date. But now I got a flat tire and I'm stuck. 'Cause your ass wanted to throw my spare tire off of a mountain.
Man, you should have saw it. It was off the chain, man.
Well, man, that's great to hear. Oh, shit, man. I need to figure out how to get to this court date on time.